Okay, picture this. You and a friend get hauled in for a crime. You're both in separate rooms and the cops give you a choice. If you both stay silent, you get a light sentence. If you both snitch, you get a harsher one. But if one of you snitches and the other stays quiet, the snitch walks free and the silent one takes the fall. That, my friends, is the prisoner's dilemma. It's not just a brain teaser for game theorists. It's actually a pretty deep look into how we humans make decisions, especially when trust is on the line. Let's bring this into real life. Ever been in a group project? You know that feeling when you wonder, should I slack off, or should I pull my weight? If everyone works hard, everyone wins. If everyone slacks, the project flops. But if you work and someone else slacks, you just did all the work for them. That's the prisoner's dilemma in action. Or think about driving. At a four-way stop, if everyone follows the rules, traffic flows. But if someone tries to cut in line, they might get ahead. Unless everyone starts cutting, and then it's chaos. The big takeaway here? Sometimes acting in your own self-interest can actually lead to worse outcomes for everyone, including yourself. That's wild, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. Studies show that when people play the prisoner's dilemma over and over, like in multiple rounds, they start to cooperate more often. Why? Because they learn that trust, and a little bit of risk, actually pays off over time. In real life, this is why relationships, business deals, international politics often rely on trust built up over time. We're wired to look for win-win situations, even if the math says we should just look out for ourselves. Here's a fun example: recycling. If everyone recycles, the planet wins. But if you're the only one, you might feel your efforts are pointless. The dilemma is, do you do the right thing, even if others might not? So, what does the prisoner's dilemma teach us about human behavior? It shows we're not just self-interested robots. Sure, we weigh our options, but we also care about trust, reputation, the bigger picture. Next time you're tempted to look out for number one, remember, sometimes working together is the best move you can make. If you found this thought experiment useful, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into why we do what we do. See you next time.